How to park for a Dubai trip. Are you planning a trip to Dubai but unsure about what to pack? Have you considered that Dubai experiences different seasons and weather conditions throughout the year? Don't worry, in this video, we'll guide you on how to pack for Dubai, taking into account the specific weather conditions at the time. Stay tuned to ensure you're perfectly prepared for your Dubai adventure. Dubai weather and seasons. Dubai, a city known for its soaring skyscrapers and extravagant lifestyle, experiences a diverse range of seasons and weather conditions throughout the year, a unique blend of seasons and weather conditions throughout the year. From scorching summers to mild winters, each season in Dubai brings a distinct atmosphere and a variety of activities for both residents and visitors to enjoy. Summer in Dubai arrives with blazing intensity, typically spanning from June to September. During these months, the city is known for its sweltering heat, with temperatures often soaring above 40 degrees Celsius, 104 degrees Fahrenheit. The sun casts its relentless rays upon the golden sands, creating a mesmerizing mirage-like effect. This scorching season often ushers in dry and arid winds, occasionally accompanied by dust storms known as shamal, which can limit visibility and add an element of drama to the landscape. Despite the extreme heat, Dubai's modern infrastructure, including air-conditioned buildings and indoor entertainment venues, provides respite for residents and tourists alike. As summer fades away, autumn makes a subtle entrance in Dubai. From October to November, the temperature begins to cool down, offering a respite from the blistering heat of summer. Days become milder, with temperatures ranging from the mid-20 to the low 30 degrees Celsius, mid-70 to mid-80 degrees Fahrenheit. The desert landscape starts to rejuvenate, transforming into a mesmerizing mix of soft hues and gentle breezes. Autumn is a perfect time to explore the city's outdoor attractions, go on desert safaris, or take a leisurely stroll along Dubai's beautiful beaches. Winter in Dubai is a delightful time of the year, stretching from December to February. Although winters are mild compared to many other parts of the world, the temperature drops to a comfortable range, hovering around 15 to 25 degrees Celsius, 59 to 77 degrees Fahrenheit during the day, and occasionally dipping lower at night. Sunny days are aplenty, inviting locals and tourists to soak up the pleasant weather and indulge in various outdoor activities. Dubai's parks and gardens burst with vibrant blooms, while the evenings bring a refreshing chill, perfect for enjoying al fresco dining experiences or taking a leisurely stroll along the bustling streets. Spring emerges in Dubai during March and May, marking the transition from the cooler winter months to the imminent arrival of summer. The city experiences gradually rising temperatures, ranging from the mid-20 to the low 30 degrees Celsius, mid-70 to mid-80 degrees Fahrenheit. Spring in Dubai is a brief interlude of pleasant weather before the summer heat sets in. The cityscape flourishes with colorful blossoms, providing a captivating backdrop for outdoor events and festivities. This season offers the perfect opportunity to explore Dubai's many attractions, such as the iconic Burj Khalifa or the bustling traditional markets known as souks. What to wear for each season and weather conditions. It's important to consider both the weather conditions and the local customs when dressing in Dubai to ensure comfort, respect, and adherence to local traditions. During the scorching summer months in Dubai, June to September, lightweight and breathable fabrics are essential to combat the intense heat. Loose-fitting garments made from natural materials such as cotton or linen help to keep the body cool by allowing air circulation. Women may opt for modest, flowy dresses or long skirts paired with lightweight tops. Men can choose loose-fitting shirts with short sleeves or lightweight cotton shirts. It's advisable to avoid tight or revealing clothing in respect for the local culture. As autumn arrives, October to November, the weather becomes milder, and you can incorporate slightly heavier fabrics into your wardrobe. Women may consider maxi dresses or trousers paired with light cardigans or jackets for the cooler evenings. Men can opt for light cotton shirts paired with lightweight trousers or jeans. It's still important to dress modestly and adhere to cultural sensitivities. Dubai's winter, December to February, brings pleasant temperatures, especially during the daytime, but evenings can be cooler. Dressing in layers is a practical approach to accommodate changing temperatures. Women can wear long-sleeved tops or blouses paired with trousers or jeans, and layer with a light jacket or cardigan when needed. Men can opt for long-sleeved shirts or lightweight sweaters combined with trousers or jeans. It's a good idea to have a light jacket or sweater handy for cooler evenings. During spring, March to May, the weather in Dubai starts to warm up again. Lightweight and breathable fabrics are still suitable, but you can incorporate more vibrant colors and patterns into your outfits. Women may choose airy dresses or skirts paired with lightweight tops. Men can opt for short-sleeved shirts or lightweight polo shirts paired with trousers or jeans. As always, it's important to dress modestly and respect the local culture. In Dubai, it's crucial to be mindful of the local customs and modesty standards. Both men and women should ensure their clothing covers their shoulders and knees as a sign of respect for the culture. Avoid wearing revealing or tight-fitting clothing, as it may be considered inappropriate. It's also important to dress modestly when visiting religious sites or attending cultural events. Additionally, it's worth noting that the Emirati traditional attire, known as the thobe for men and the abaya for women, holds great significance in the local culture. While not mandatory for visitors to wear, it is appreciated if you respect and acknowledge the traditional dress by dressing modestly and respectfully. Some packing tips to adhere to during packing. Efficient packing can make a significant difference in your overall travel experience in Dubai. So, here are some practical packing tips to help you make the most of your luggage space while staying organized and prepared. Rolling your clothes instead of folding them is a space-saving technique that also helps minimize wrinkles. Roll each garment tightly, starting from one end, and stack them neatly in your suitcase. This method not only maximizes the available space, but also allows for easy visibility and accessibility to your clothing items. Consider using packing cubes or compartments to keep your belongings organized and separate different types of items. These handy accessories act as mini compartments within your suitcase, helping you categorize your clothing, accessories, and other essentials. With packing cubes, you can group items together, making it easier to locate specific items without rummaging through your entire suitcase. To maintain fresh and clean clothes throughout your trip, pack a small, travel-sized laundry detergent. This compact essential allows you to hand wash your garments as needed, ensuring you have a fresh supply of clean clothes. This option comes in handy, particularly for longer trips, as you can reduce the amount of clothing you need to pack and extend the usability of your wardrobe. Remember to check the airline's baggage restrictions and weight limits before packing to avoid any last-minute surprises. It's also a good idea to carry essential documents, valuables, and any necessary medications in your carry-on bag for easy access and added security. In summary, when visiting Dubai, it's crucial to dress appropriately for the weather, ensuring comfort while respecting the local culture. Opt for lightweight and breathable fabrics, open-toed shoes, and modest clothing choices. Don't forget sun protection accessories like sunglasses, a wide-brimmed hat, and sunscreen. Consider carrying a small bag for day trips, and keep essentials organized with packing cubes or accessories to pack for your Dubai trip. 1. Sandals. Dubai's scorching temperatures call for comfortable and breathable footwear, making sandals or open-toed shoes an ideal choice. As you walk along the sun-kissed sidewalks, a pair of well-cushioned and ventilated sandals will provide relief from the heat while allowing your feet to breathe. The gentle breeze caresses your toes as you take in the sights and sounds of this vibrant metropolis. Opt for sandals with supportive soles to ensure comfort during long walks and explorations. While open-toed shoes are a staple for Dubai's hot climate, it's advisable to pack a pair of closed-toe shoes for specific occasions. Visits to mosques or formal events often require more modest attire, and closed-toe shoes are a respectful choice in such settings. Slip into a pair of lightweight and comfortable closed-toe shoes and feel the soft embrace of their support as you step into the sacred spaces or attend special gatherings. The closed design offers protection while still allowing your feet to breathe. 2. Sunglasses. Dubai's year-round sunshine demands adequate sun protection to shield yourself from its powerful rays. Sunglasses become your trusty companions as they protect your eyes from the glaring sunlight that illuminates the city. Slide on a stylish pair of sunglasses and watch as the world around you takes on a cool, tinted hue. The vibrant colors of Dubai's architecture and landscape come alive through the lenses, while your eyes remain shielded and refreshed. 3. Hat. To safeguard your face and neck from the intense sunlight, wear a wide-brimmed hat. Its generous shade casts a comforting shield, protecting your skin from the scorching rays. As you stroll along the palm-lined boulevards or relax by the shimmering waterfront, the hat's brim offers respite, ensuring your face remains cool and shaded. It becomes your companion in the realm of shadows, providing a touch of elegance while warding off the sun's relentless beams. 4. Sunscreen. The importance of sun protection extends beyond sunglasses and hats. Dubai's climate warrants the use of sunscreen to shield your skin from harmful UV rays. Apply a generous amount of sunscreen, embracing its protective embrace. As you embark on your urban adventures, the sunscreen acts as an invisible guardian, preserving the health and vitality of your skin amidst the desert sun. 5. Scarf. Dubai's cultural customs and modesty standards may occasionally call for the covering of shoulders or head. A lightweight scarf or shawl becomes a versatile accessory, ready to assist in such situations. Drape it gracefully over your shoulders or wrap it gently around your head, and feel the cool fabric embrace you. The scarf becomes an expression of respect, a tangible reflection of your understanding and appreciation for the local customs. In addition to the essential clothing, footwear, and accessories, there are a few miscellaneous items that can greatly enhance your experience while exploring Dubai's vibrant cityscape and unique attractions. Dubai's scorching heat demands constant hydration, and a reusable water bottle becomes an indispensable companion during your adventures. Ensure you stay refreshed by carrying a sturdy and eco-friendly water bottle to always fill it up with cold water cafes and restaurants. Sip from your trusty bottle. The cool liquid quench your thirst and invigorate your body as you navigate Dubai's captivating sights. If you're traveling to Dubai from a different region, it's essential to consider the need for an adapter plug. Dubai's electrical outlets adhere to the 3-pin British standard, so having an adapter allows you to conveniently charge your electronic devices without any compatibility issues. A compact and reliable adapter plug ensures that your gadgets remain powered up, allowing you to capture stunning photographs, stay connected, and make the most of your Dubai experience. As you embark on day trips or explore the city's diverse neighborhoods, having a small backpack or tote bag proves immensely useful for carrying essentials. Whether it's a camera, sunscreen, a guidebook, or a souvenir you pick up along the way, a lightweight and versatile bag keeps your belongings secure and easily accessible. Packing cubes or compartments. Lastly, remember practical packing tips such as rolling clothes to save space and using travel-sized laundry detergent for fresh clothes throughout your trip. If you found these travel tips and guides helpful, I invite you to subscribe to our channel for more informative content on various destinations and travel-related topics. Also comment on the comments section of what you want us to know. Thank you for watching.